Hi, this is Sheldon Levinstein, and I'm going to randomize and then solve Melinda's magical 2x2x2x2 puzzle. Thank you, Melinda, for inventing this. So first we're going to go on with the randomizing step, which we use Melinda's method of taking the end cap, putting top to bottom, and then restacking, the restacking moves. And we do these restacking moves repeatedly until it's random. It'll take at least half a dozen of these before I'm happy with the randomness. Okay, so let's say that we consider that randomized. I don't know if it's perfect, but it's pretty good. I'm going to take that camera and aim it a little lower so you can see what I'm doing. Now, what I'm looking for are these, not the corners, but the diamonds. I want to get opposite diamonds that have a total of 8 pieces in the two opposite diamonds. So let's see what we can do to get some more pieces in there. And this is an optimization step in the sense that it's very helpful to me, at least, to have okay, I'm going to count 4 white yellows plus 1 is 5. Nope. 6 white yellows on the other side, 7, 8. That's 8. Now if I gyro, I'll have 8 white yellow outside corners. As part of the gyro, we do 3 books. Book 1, book 2, book 3, and theoretically, I can group these white yellow outside corners, and there should be a total of 8 of them if I counted correctly. Okay, now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to arrange all of the white yellows to be on one cube so that my 8 pieces that I designed this for are on the outside of this cube now. And once I have that, I can start putting on the other cube. I want to get all the white yellows in diamonds. I call them diamonds. And I use these slice moves where you, on one cube you do whatever you want, and on the other cube you have to counteract it using a slice. So now we have one more diamond to do. Okay, diamonds are done. Diamond one, diamond opposite. Now we can gyro to a set of faces that have no white yellows. Let's gyro. Book 2, book 3, and then at this point we have 8 yellows, white yellows, 8 white yellows. So we can gyro to this and put all the white yellows on the outside. Beautifully done. Now I gotta do my 3 books. Book 1, book 2, book 3. Okay, so we have white, yellow outside corners. I'm going to begin to gather up the remaining corners so that they're all together. And now they are. We have 4 yellows on the bottom, 4 whites on the top. Now my focus is on finding all of the blue yellows and getting them next to each other, which would make for a perfect So I got 2 pieces that belong next to each other that are blue, but there's a couple more blues on this face. And oops. All the blues are solved. Of course, I would like to solve the greens as well, but to do that, let's get the blues someplace safe. The blues are now someplace safe. The greens are randomized, the green yellows. So let's start solving those green yellows. Okay, this is the magic point. 1 cube has been solved. So now we're going to do everything with this cube and basically repeat what we just did. Now I'm trying to get the blues together. For these, this cube, There's one more blue I can see. On the white cube, rather. There was a mistake here. I don't know what I did wrong. Okay. So where am I at? This is 3 layers. The yellow cube is still solved perfectly, but so is half of the white cube. And I have to solve the greens on the white cube, and I have to do so because my brain is, well, I mean, these routines are hard to do on this puzzle. So I'm going to take it in multiple steps. I'm going to first fix the twisting of the greens. I'm not going to try to get them in the right position. I'm just going to try to get all the greens facing up. And even that I'm going to do in baby steps, using this routine twice, rather than, you know, more complicated logic routines, because I find that complicated things are hard to do on the Tesseract puzzle. So where am I at on the greens? I have all of the greens color correct, but I have to swap 2 pairs of greens. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to do like a corner logic routine. It's 14 moves if you're doing this on the big cube, and that's 7 moves repeated twice. So let's see if I can do it. It's hard. It's the hardest move I can do on this puzzle and have any chance of getting right. I did it once. Now I'll do it again to finish the swapping. And lo and behold, my Tesseract has been solved. Thank you.